Technical Glass and Aluminium was established in 1989, and we saw the need of architectural glass in the market, in the UAE market, as well as in the Gulf region. Construction was always an essential sector in the Gulf. So we started off with the glass business first, doing a lot of trading and some light processing activities. And then as it went, we grew into tempering and then IG. In 1994, we decided to enter into the aluminium fabrication and the contracting part of the business. And again, in about 2002, we went into the metal division, which was a complementary business for the aluminium part, and it's been going on ever since. Back then, in the early 90s, double glazing was not in demand as much as today because of legislation and requirements from the government for thermal insulation, especially, and safety, of course. Double glazing became an essential part of our production, and today I can say it's most likely over 95% of glass is required in IG units. In 2018, we decided to expand our glass production facilities, and we chose to go into Dubai area in Jebel Ali industrial area. This decision came mainly because of needing extra electrical power to expand the business. And we thought since we're expanding, we would go into oversized panels, as we felt the demand and the designs for the new buildings, whether it's residential and commercial, were requiring more and more bigger panels. And this facility was designed to accommodate oversized glass up to 12 meters in length and 3.3 meters in width. We decided to install solar panels on all of our 4 existing factories in Jebel Ali because of the sustainability, and plus the government here enhances and facilitates the usage of such panels. Our relationship with Forel started over 12 years ago, and we had some equipments from Forel in our Sharjah facilities. And of course, having great support from them, we decided to accommodate some of our main equipments in our new facilities, and the most important one is the extra jumbo Forel IG line. In this facility, we also purchased some of Forel's other equipments like grinding work, automated edge work machines, and edge deletion machines, some pre-processing machines too. The main advantage of IG line from Forel, well, first it's the state-of-the-art, the latest technology in the market, in the European market, and we were very happy with the quality control that they can offer on the line during the production. Over the years, we've established a very cooperative and strong relationship with our raw material suppliers, the same as for the equipment suppliers. And Forel is definitely one of those major suppliers that are very supportive on the after-sales part, and they can keep us going on, especially with a factory running 24/7 for so many years. They've got online support and very fast deliveries of spare parts when required. Forel has proven to be a great partner, a great support. We look forward to keep doing business, hopefully together in the coming years.